So we are exercise 6D. Question number 1. A is equal to x, where x is a natural number and x is less than equal to minus 6 and more than 3. B is x, where x is a whole number and x is less than 4. So from here we'll find out A. It is a natural number lying between 3 and 6. So 4, 5 and 6. And from here we'll find out B. So less than 4 is 1, 2 and 3. Whole number is there, so we'll add 0 also. 0, 1, 2 and 3. And first part you have to find out A union B. So A union B will be 4, 5, 6. Union 0, 1, 2 and 3. So it will come out as 0, 1, 2, 3 and from here 4, 5, 6. Second part of the question is asking about A intersection B. So intersection B, no, it is A minus B. So that member of A which does not belong to B. So 4, 5, 6 minus 0, 1, 2, 3. So 4, 5, 6, all three members of set A are not in this one. So the answer will be 4, 5 and 6. Third, you have to find out A intersection B. Means 4, 5, 6 intersection 0, 1, 2 and 3. Nothing is common between them. So your answer will be empty set, or we can write it as 5. And fourth one, you have to find out B minus A. So B is 0, 1, 2 and 3 and minus 4, 5 and 6. So we are finding all elements of set B are not in set A. So it will be 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is question number 4. A is given 0, 1, 2, 4 and 5. B is given 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. C is given 0, 3, 6 and 9. And you have to prove that associative order is true for A, B and C. Means A union B union C is same as A union B union C. So we'll give proof. So at first we'll start with LHS. LHS is A union B union C. B union C in bracket. A is a 0, 1, 2, 4 and 5. And then union in bracket we'll write B is given how much? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And union C is given how much? 0, 3, 6, 9. 0, 3, 6 and 9. So it will come out as 0, 1, 2, 4 and 5. And union, when you will add these two, union of these two we are taking, it is 0, 3, 6 and 9. So it will be 0, 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 8, then 9. And if we are adding this, so we are getting 0, 1, 2, then 3 from here, 4 and 5 is already present, 6, 8 and 9. And now we will find out its second part, that is RHS. RHS is given, you have to prove that this one, A union B union C. So we will find out A union B union C. So A is given as 0, 1, 2, 4 and 5. Its union with B is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 together. And union C is given as 0, 3, 6, 1. So when we take union of these two, so it will be 0, 1, 2, 4, then 5, then 6, then 8. And united with this one, 0, 3, 6 and 9. When find union of this one, so it will be 1, 2, 3 from here, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9. So what we are finding, this one, this value is same. Elements in both cases are same, so hence we will write hence LHS is equal to RHS, that is equal to A union B union C is same as A union B union C. Proved. So question number 6 it is given P is equal to factors of 36. So there will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. And Q is factors of 48. So these elements will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. And first part you have to find out P union Q. So P union Q will be addition of this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. From here 9, 12 with common to both, then 16, then 18, then 24, and then 48. Second part of the question is asking about P intersection Q. So we'll find that between P and Q, 0 is common, so write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Then 8 is not there, 9, 12 is common. After that, nothing is common between them. So this will be your answer. Third part is talking about Q minus P. So member of Q which is not in P. So 48, see these are common to both. So Q minus P will be leaving this number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So it will be 8, then 12, 16, then 24 and finally 48. Last one is given here. You have to find out P dash intersection Q. So question arises, what is P dash? So this one will behave as universal set. So P dash will be members of P which are not in here, except this one. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36 will write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 9, then 12, then 18 and then 36. One member we have left here, 36 and 48. We'll leave this. Rest of the members will be elements of P dash. So it will be 8, then 16, then 24 and then 48. Intersection Q. Q is given here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Common thing we have to find out. 8 is common to both, 16 is common to both, 24 is common to both and 48 is common to both. So your answer will be 8, 16, 24 and 48.